Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to stop Temu emails, and now let's dive right in. Now to stop Temu emails, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen. And when you land over here, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the settings button at the top right, tap on it. And when you land over here, you can see the notifications option available for us just below the currency. Tap on notifications. And when you land over here, guys, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the notification types, which is from promotion, auto updates, chat messages, and customers activity, including the avatar and username sharing. And at the top of or the first three of these advertisements or notifications, you can see here says promotions, auto updates, and chat messages, and in them there is the email service available as well. Now in order to stop the emails from Temu, tap on the edit button at the bottom right side of the promotions category, and this kind of interface will appear. Now you can see the email button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the email, and the promotions emails will be unsent or will be stopped sending to you. And let's close this, and you can do that same for the order updates. Tap on the bottom right side where it says the edit on the order updates tab, and tap on the email like this. You can see, guys, mine one is turned on. In your case, turn it off by tapping on the toggle icon at the bottom, and do that similarly on the chat messages as well. Tap on edit, and when this opens, make sure to turn off the email button over here at the bottom by tapping on the toggle icon at the right side of the email. And with that being done, guys, Temu will stop sending you emails on your phone. And guys, this is how to stop Temu emails. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.